busy crafters, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're returning. My name is Jessica, and today we have another collaboration going on for you. It is the 12 Days of Christmas collaboration, and our hosts are Rustic and Lace DIY and Molly Cole Creations. Day 1 is going to be Christmas ornaments. And so we started off by getting those styrofoam balls that I got from Amazon. And I got the giant hat from Hobby Lobby. Well, it's not a giant hat, but it's a bigger hat than the ones that I'm being painted right now. But it's a bigger hat, and I got it from Hobby Lobby last year when it was like 90% off. I also got those 3 Scarecrow hats from the Dollar Tree during the fall season. And what I did is I just painted them black. These hats really absorbed everything, and so it took a while to actually have them dry. And so then, even though the styrofoam balls are white, I didn't want them to look styrofoam, so I did paint them with Waverly white chalk paint. And yeah, I found out that putting them on a skewer is a lot easier than having them roll all over your desk, and then they roll on the floor, and all of a sudden the cat's playing with them and there's paint everywhere. No, I'm kidding. That actually didn't happen, but it was funny. You laughed. So I go ahead and paint all of them. And I have a bigger styrofoam ball for the bigger hat, that one. And with that one, I just poked a little hole on top, but I also, got that little spool of ribbon at Michael's. Yeah, the Michael's. It was in their little front section where it's like the cheaper stuff, not cheaper stuff, but the lower price stuff. That's where I got that, and it says Merry Christmas, and now I'm out of that stuff now, so I gotta find more, because I really liked it. But I go ahead and wrap it around the hat, and then I just take off a little greenery that I got from Dollar Tree? No, Hobby Lobby. I got it from Hobby Lobby in their Christmas section when it was also like, 60% off or something like that. And I go ahead and I glue it to the side, and then I add, I add the holly. I got those stickers also from Hobby Lobby, and they were also 60% off. They were normally $3.99 with 60% off, so I got them pretty cheap. And then I go ahead and poke a hole in the top. And excuse me, choking. And then with the white and red baker's twine, I go ahead and just make a little loop-de-loop. And then I just shove it through the hole. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah. And then I just go ahead and super glue it. Yeah. I'm so tired. This is the second voiceover that I'm doing tonight for 2 recreations, or for 2 collaborations for the same day, which is Wednesday. So both of my videos are going to be coming out on Wednesday. So then I go ahead and just hot glue around the rim of the hat, and then put the little foam ball in there, and now we have a snowman head. So I just go ahead and draw on eyes. I'm not a very good drawer. I wing it, and that's fine. You can wing it, like, it's just eyeballs and a mouth. I mean, what's so hard about it? It gets hard. Trying to write on styrofoam paint, it does get hard. Like, I don't know how many times I tried. But I got that pit berries I got from Hobby Lobby last year during the fall season. And I just go ahead and I poke a little hole, and I actually shove it in there so that his nose is kind of sticking out. It's not off to the side. It's actually sticking out, and I'm just going ahead and doing a little bit better job on the mouth. This snowman turned out adorable. He is really cute, and I wish I would have gotten more of those hats, but at the time I was thinking, what am I going to do with those hats? Like, I'll just do one. Yeah. If you're questioning it, get them. Just buy the hats, because now you're regretting it. At least I am. So then with that one, I go ahead and I wrap that one around with my my blue ribbon with my white snowflakes on it. This is going to be my snowman head. And then I got a bunch of these plastic snowflakes from a yard sale a long time ago, and I'm just getting around to using them. And then I just add a little blue gem to the snowflake, and oh yeah, and then we have to put the loop-de-loop on. This one is a solid hat, it's not hollow, it's a solid hat. So I just go ahead and poke a little hole in there, make the little knot for the loop-de-loop, and then I just shove it in there with some hot glue, and it's still holding up pretty well. And yeah, this Christmas tree is going to be having a lot of homemade decorations, and that makes me like really happy. It is one of my favorite memories with my kids, creating decorations with them. And yeah, so now I'm just going ahead and creating the nose, or not the nose, I'm creating the eyes and the mouth. And then again with the pit berry, I'm just going ahead and putting it on there. I poke a little hole in the snowman's face and then just shove the hole in. And then yeah, so with these ones with the little hats, I actually ended up cutting off a little bit of the top of the ball, because I didn't want the hat just sitting on their head. I wanted it to look like it was actually on their head. So that's what I did with all three of these balls. And yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Oh yeah, I'm putting little gems around, because that one actually had it wrapped in the lights. So I put gems all the way around it. There's the final review on that one. And tell me what you think. Hope you guys like them. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. I really do appreciate you. It makes my heart happy knowing that you guys are subscribing. Here is project number 2. I got these little buckets at the Dollar Tree around Valentine's Day. I went ahead and painted them gray with my Hello Hobby chalk paint in Moonstruck. And then when I go ahead and it's all dried, I went ahead with my metallic paint, so it gives it a metallic look. Do not heat up metal with a heat gun. It hurts. I'm just throwing that out there for you guys. I burned myself. I don't want you guys to burn yourself, so just be very careful with it. Yeah. So I go ahead and that's when I paint on there. It's not a perfect paint job, but that actually is great, because what pail is actually great unless you like buy it brand new, and I don't want that look. I don't want it brand new. So I just painted one coat of the silver. I painted 2 coats of the gray and then 1 coat of the silver, and I went ahead and dried it with the heat gun. Put a napkin in there because, you know, it does get hot. And then I also got those little styrofoam balls from Amazon, and I used a little bit bigger one on the bottom, and then I think 4 of the smaller ones on top. And so here we go, we're gonna glue them down. Yeah. So yeah, a bigger one on the bottom just to give it a little bit of raise, like, and then 4 of them for the top. Yeah. And then I go ahead and write on them. I think that one says free snowballs. And then I just go ahead and make a little loop-de-loop. I hot glue it on down because it was kind of like going all over the handle. So I just go ahead and put on the little loop-de-loop, and there you go. Yeah, that one's free snowballs. Because where I live, it snows, and everybody can come up here and get all the free snowballs if they want. They can take the snow. I mean, that's fine with me. It won't hurt my feelings. You know, because I get a little, like, irked with the snow. So we're going ahead with the second one. This one's going to have a different saying. This one actually says free snowman assembly required. You know. Because, yeah, if you want a free snowman, that's fine. You're just going to have to put it together yourself. Because I don't want no part of it. Okay? I don't. Not looking forward to the snowy season. So I go ahead and put the little loop-de-loop on it. I little hot glue it down because it was, you know, going over place. And then there you go. There is the little buckets for ornaments that are going to go on the Christmas tree. They turned out so cute. Yeah, I like them. Not too shabby. So go ahead and follow me on all my social medias. The descriptions or the links to them will be in my description box below. And I do get back to the comments and also subscribe. So these I actually saw on Pinterest, and I knew that I had to make them. I had 3 more of these left from the leftover gnome ornaments that I made a couple days ago. And so now we're going to be making bells. I was actually going to paint them, but I decided against it because I kind of liked the raw wood look up against the terracotta pots. And on top of it, I have another video coming out the same day as this one that I also had to make projects for as well. So I'm just going ahead, I get the little bead that I got from my aunt at the bottom, and then I am trying to figure it out. And then I figured it out. And then after I figured this one out, I couldn't figure out the other ones. Like, that's how quick my mind was like, okay, you're done here. It was crazy. But it turned out fine. It turned out great. And these ones actually turned out very cute. I also used the same, I hot glued it because every time you pull up, the little bell thing would, or the ball thing would go up. So I hot glued it to the top so that way you still have the little bell bottom, or the bell at the bottom. And then for this one, I used my blue ribbon with the white snowflakes on it, and I go around the bottom and the top. And then I believe I used the stickers for this one. I don't know, we'll see. We'll be surprised together. Yeah. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And yeah, I used the little stickers, I think. Are these I don't know. No, I used the little plastic ones. I didn't use the stickers. I used the little white plastic ones that I got from a yard sale. And then I go ahead and put a blue gem around each one, or in the middle of each snowflake. Yeah. That's what I did. And then we have a terracotta pot bell for our Christmas tree. And it turned out cute. I think the little ball thing is hanging down a little bit more. But there's the three of them that I made all together. And yeah. Hope you guys like them. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. And I do get back to the comments. Here's the final review for all three of them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I appreciate you guys so much, and let me know what you think, and I will see you on the next one. Have a blessed day and a wonderful week. I'll see you guys later. Bye.